This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the battery chemistry and capacity so charging profiles match. This prevents damage. Once confirmed, place the backup on a stable, ventilated surface and keep 6 inches clearance. Next, turn off non-essential loads so initial charging and tests won't overload the system. Make sure the input is connected to a properly grounded circuit and attach battery leads securely. Tighten terminals to spec. Once done, power the UPS and allow its internal charger to reach initial conditioning charge. You now configure the transfer thresholds and sensitivity so the UPS switches at voltages that protect equipment without nuisance trips. Once settings are saved, run a simulated power failure test for 5 to 15 minutes to observe transfer speed and waveform on battery. This verifies runtime and inverter performance. Make sure communications are enabled, RS-232, USB, or SNMP, so you can log events and set auto shutdown. If the UPS has firmware updates, install them now to ensure stability and correct bug fixes. You finish by restoring non-critical loads gradually while watching battery percentage and temperature to confirm expected runtime. Make sure to schedule recurring maintenance. Test monthly, replace batteries when capacity falls below 80%, and keep firmware current. For routine monitoring, set alert thresholds for low battery and high temp, then log results. If something goes wrong, like persistent faults or no inverter output, check error codes, reset battery connections, and if faults persist, replace the battery or contact support as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.